Hey, what's up y'all? It's Kennedy Simone here and I am back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew because we're the best crew. So as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be trying some trendy rubber band hairstyles I've been seeing on YouTube and Instagram, all that good stuff. I think they're really cute, and y'all know I stay with my good wigs and my sew-ins, but since my hair is straight, kinda, it's been straight for like over a week now, like definitely over a week. Ooh, maybe like a week and a half, 2 weeks. It's been a minute, so it's definitely not fresh. So I decided to try some hairstyles out. I'm not a hair expert, I'm just trying it out. I hope it doesn't look childish on me, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, disclaimer, this is not necessarily a tutorial, but if it turns out good, you can know what I did. So yeah, okay. So first off, I'm gonna just take my hair out of the ponytail. Ooh. All right, so the first style I'm gonna be doing is, they're all gonna be buns, just because, yeah, my hair doesn't look right now. So yeah, so it's gonna be, the first one I'm gonna do, it'll be 6 parts. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you'll see. And then I'm gonna put it in a bun, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, so for the first hairstyle, you're going to need your hair parted off in the middle, down like this, and on both sides where your, like the eyebrow arch is, like around that section. So yeah, that's what I did. And so now I'm going to work with one side and come back to the other. So yeah, I got my clip and I'm gonna just clip away this side for now. So the first side, I'm going to make 3 parts. All right, so my hair is split off into 3 different sections. So yeah, so the first thing is I'm going to put the first one in a ponytail. Now, let me get my clip so I can section these off so they don't get lost in the sauce, okay? You don't want your hair to get lost in the sauce. And so you have a clear little piece to work with. I'm gonna be using the Murray's Edge Wax. Extreme hold. Cut your big hair up. But yeah, I got my edges toothbrush. So I have an actual edges toothbrush, but with like the comb on the end and then the brush. But I need to wash it, like clean it or whatever. So I'm gonna just use this for now. And it's not that dirty. I only used it once yesterday and I had on makeup, so that's why it's a little dirty. So don't judge me in the comments. Okay, so we're gonna just put some gel on the perimeter. Then you're going to smooth it in or whatever. Then you're gonna get a rubber band and put it on. Okay, so now that we have our first section, we're gonna go to the second section, put some gel on the perimeter, and then connect it. When you're putting the rubber band on, connect the first one to the second one in one ponytail. And I'm gonna do that to this section, and this last section, then come back and show you guys. All right, so as you can see, I did it to these sections and this is how it should look. And now I'm gonna just speed it up and do it on the other side. All right, so I have my 2 sections here. That's what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and just put my hair in a bun, and that'll be the first style. So I just use a dimming brush, this kind of brush, and then I lay my edges with the same Murray's Edge Wax and my edge brush. So yeah. All right, so this can be a hairstyle with your hair down in a ponytail. Okay, and then the bun can be like the second style. So, let's see. And I just wrap my hair however it falls. Because usually the first time you do a bun is probably the best one you're gonna do. It just gets worse and worse after each time you try. So yeah, I just bobby pin the little pieces down. All right, so this can be the second style. All right, so the third hairstyle, so I just took everything out, my bun out, and so I'm just gonna finish parting my hair all the way down the middle for the third hairstyle. So now it's split in two parts. I'm gonna do the two space bun look. So I'm gonna take one section and put it in a ponytail. All right, so now they're in two ponytails. I'm gonna make little space buns with each little side and bobby pin it down. All right, so they're not the most perfect buns, but it is what it is. All right, so I'm gonna keep this section and put the rest in a ponytail to get it out of the way. But I'm gonna keep the part, the basic shape of what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna just take out this right section and make it two parts instead of three. All right, so now that I have the full section, I'm gonna make the two parts. Just gonna split it right down the middle. Okay, and so I'm going to put the first section in a ponytail, and then I'm going to braid it, not all the way down. So this is about a good amount to braid to, and I'm going to connect it to the back section and put that in a ponytail. And for this section, I'm going to also braid it, but I'm gonna actually braid this one all the way down to the end. So I have this section, gonna pin this back for now. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. All right, so now that I have the two little sections right here, I'm going to just create a low bun. You can do a ponytail with this style, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do a bun, and then you can do it like this. A high bun, which I'm going to end up doing. So for the high bun, I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail without these, because I'm going to use it a little bit later. So I'm gonna make my bun, and then I'm going to wrap this around the bun. And same on this side. And then I'm going to bobby pin down. All right, so this is the last hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed me trying the trendy hairstyles. They aren't as neat or anything because I'm not really trying to be super precise right now, just because I literally am about to take it down. But I found these really cute. You should try them. If you have your natural hair out, go ahead, try some styles, switch it up a bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you made it to the end of the video, because obviously you kind of like me a little bit. So join Ken's crew, and like this video and share with everybody you know. And I will see you guys tomorrow because it's Vlogmas. Bye. Kennedy.